Okay. Yeah, the timer started. Alright. There's still ice everywhere. Oh, actually, it's melting and turning into slush. That's what I like to see. It's actually really nice out. It's like 40 degrees and it's completely sunny. There's barely any clouds in sight. I mean, there's a few stray clouds, but it's very, very nice. And I don't even have my coat on. It's that nice. In fact, I don't even really need my hood on. Oh, crap. Okay, we're gonna walk slowly. Shut up. Dog being walked over there. Shut up. Every damn time. Oh, there's 2 dogs. God damn it. I kind of picked a worse time. Oh, wait, that's not a dog. That's just the one lady's shadow. Well, the other one is definitely walking a dog. Shut up. They're far away now. I'm gonna try not to talk much in this video because I don't want to add too many captions. Problem with the last video is I talked a lot and I had to put in a lot of captions. Shut up! I mean, it's not gonna work because I talk all the time. I'm a fucking chatterbox. It's just my nature. See, all the ice here is melting. It's slush now. No, well, not all of it is melted, but it's melting. Oh, but yeah. It's still just a big fucking boulder of snow here. But I mean, it's a big fucking boulder of snow that's melting. And there's the water here from last time. and it's late February, so all this melting snow means that it's turning to spring. Pretty sure the vernal equinox is March 20th. I don't know. Maybe it's March 21st. I don't know. No, it's March 20th. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, because it's my mom's birthday, so yeah, it's March 20th. Oh, another big boulder of snow. And I remembered the timer this time. See, look at that. I mean, you probably saw that at the beginning of the video, because I said in the first like 2 seconds, like, you got the timer running. And yeah. Oh no, the person that was walking the dog is coming back. Or is it the person? No, it's not the same person. Alright. Don't you bark at them, they don't have a dog. Come on, Serena. Serena, why you gotta piss on the leash, huh? What the fuck? Still just eating so much goes on. Oh, wait. This is from last time. Shut up. Stop it. Knock it off. Serena. Barking at the person that came out of that house. Shut up. Shut up. Serena. Shut up. Damn it, Serena. Shut up. You know what? We're going to the other side of the road. Stop it. No. Stop. No more. Dang it, Serena. You never freaking listen to me. Oh, of course, this sidewalk is covered in snow. Oh well. Of course, my dog's just eating the snow as she goes along. Oh well. Stop it. sidewalk is covered in snow. I can't. Can't do that. The sidewalk is covered in snow. Why, Serena? Hate it when you do that. Piece of crap. I know there's no crosswalk here, but honestly, I don't give a shit anymore. No. Let's try to go inside. You get it done. Come on. Oh my god. Will you stop stopping in front of me? It's so freaking rude. Oh my god, Serena. Watch just beeped. It's noon. Okay, come on. Okay, 13 minutes.